there, my name is Scott, and I'm just going over through some 6 intervals today. So if you want to get the PDF, go to my website, scottknightmusic.com, and sign up and I'll give you these PDFs. And here we go. We're talking about 7th chords, but I'll do in the 6s. So what I'm doing here is this is the A7 chord. So I'm playing the 3rd and the root here, and then do a little chromatic walk up to the 3rd and the 5th. So if you do an A7 chord like this, you can see the shape right there. You can see this shape here, and then that's a flat 7 of the G, which works, sounds awesome. All right, so that is your A7. So now we're gonna do D7. So D7, you can see the 6th interval in the chord right there. So we're skipping the string there. So this is the 5th and the 3rd, and then we go to the 3rd and the root. So you could see, I guess there's like a D chord. You also do D7 like this. Yeah. So you could see these intervals. I didn't write all this out, but it's all there. So all I'm doing for the D7 chord, which is the mixolydian, or it's also the D7 is the 5 of G, I'm just adding a sharp. F sharp, not C sharp. For the A, I'm adding a C sharp and F sharp. So F sharp and C sharp are both over the A7, which is basically the A is the 5 of D. And so in the key of D, you got 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. And then the E chord, basically the E is the 5 of A7, so it wants to go back to A7. So your E7 chord, basically, again, coming from the chord shape. And so we got the 3rd and the 5th, little chromatic run. And there's our 3rd and root, and then go back down again. Get the flat 7 and the 2. And since the A is the key that E, so since the A is the key that E7 is the 5 of, we could do C sharp. So we got C sharp, G sharp, F sharp. These other notes are just kind of there with it. And then G sharp again. Little chromatic. So there you have some concept of there's a concept of the 6th intervals, and you could add them, you could work for anything. So that's for a blues concept. You could do it for country. You can go you hear that all the time, kind of resolution there on a G chord. Yeah. So the 6 intervals are great, and they're used all over the place. And so, yeah, they're fun to use and fun to create with. And enjoy the solo that I put together. And again, if you want to get the PDFs, just go to my website, scottknightmusic.com, and you can sign up there, and I'll send you the PDFs. Just you'll get some sort of things. Thanks for signing up, and I'll send the PDF right off to you.